Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting directly to the network and opening your router's admin page. This gives full control and prevents lockouts. Once connected, type the router IP into your browser and log in with the admin credentials. If you don't know them, check the device sticker or use a saved password manager entry. Make sure to use a wired connection if possible to avoid interruption. You're doing this now so you can change Wi-Fi settings securely and avoid accidental network loss. Once in the admin interface, find the wireless settings section because that's where SSID and password live. You'll see separate radios for 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Choose the network you use and confirm which band devices rely on. Next, pick a modern security mode like WPA2 or WPA3 for stronger encryption. This matters because old options like WEP are insecure. Then enter a new, strong passphrase and think about a memorable pattern combined with numbers. You finish by saving the new settings and allowing the router to reboot if it must, because a restart applies the changes cleanly. Once the network comes back, reconnect your devices using the new password and remove old saved entries to avoid automatic reconnect with the old key. If a device won't connect, make sure you selected the correct band and security type. As a troubleshooting tip, reboot the router and device first, and only consider a factory reset if nothing else restores access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.